Right now, we are living through one of the most explosive wealth shifts in human history. Technology, innovation, and global markets are creating more millionaires and billionaires than ever before. But here's the harsh truth. While some people will ride this wave to financial freedom, most will miss out, simply because they weren't prepared. In this video, I'll show you how to position yourself so you can be on the winning side of history. Welcome to the WealthShift TV, where we turn mindset into money and knowledge into generational wealth. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe. All right, let's dive in. The wealth explosion is real. Think about this for a second. In just the last 30 years, global wealth hasn't just grown, it has tripled. And here's the crazy part. In the past decade alone, over 50 million new millionaires were created worldwide. Why? Because we've entered a brand new era, one powered by technology, digital finance, and borderless opportunities. Industries like AI, blockchain, e-commerce, and renewable energy aren't just buzzwords. They're trillion-dollar ecosystems growing faster than anything the world has ever seen before. Right now, the world isn't just creating wealth, it's creating it at record-breaking speed. Why most people will miss out. But here's the catch. Most people won't benefit. Why? Because they fall into three traps that keep them broke. 1. The consumer mentality. Instead of putting money into assets that grow, most people put money into things that shrink in value the moment they buy them. Think about it. The latest iPhone, flashy sneakers, or that car upgrade. It feels good for a moment, but a year later it's worth half the price, while the person who invested the same money is now earning passive income. That's the difference between looking rich and actually becoming wealthy. 2. Fear of change. When a new industry shows up like AI, blockchain, or clean energy, the masses run away because it feels risky or confusing. But here's the truth. Every fortune was made in industries that were once considered too risky. In the 90s, people said the internet was a fad. Today, the world's richest billionaires all built their wealth on it. The question is, will you let fear keep you stuck, or will you position yourself in front of the next wave? 3. Short-term thinking. This is the killer trap. People chase quick money, lottery tickets, get-rich-quick schemes, gambling on the next hot stock. But the truth is, wealth compounds over time. If you invest consistently, even small amounts, your future self will thank you. Albert Einstein once called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. Yet most people ignore it because it doesn't give instant gratification. This is exactly why the majority stay stuck while a small minority multiply wealth. If you want to be in the top 1%, you must break these three habits: consumer mentality, fear of change, and short-term thinking, and start building wealth-producing assets that work for you long-term. The wealth strategies of the future. Robert Kiyosaki once said, "The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them." And today, that truth has become even sharper. We are standing at the edge of a wealth revolution. The people who will rise to the top in the next decade are those who 1. Invest in innovation. The biggest fortunes of tomorrow are being built in artificial intelligence, renewable energy, biotechnology, and digital assets. Just like Jeff Bezos saw the internet before anyone else. The next wave of billionaires are already betting on innovation. 2. Build digital businesses. While traditional businesses are limited by location, digital platforms scale globally with almost no limit. That's how Elon Musk transformed industries. Not by playing small, but by thinking global. 3. Acquire wealth-producing assets. The wealthy don't chase shiny toys. They acquire real estate, equities, and systems that generate cash flow while they sleep. Meanwhile, most people stay broke buying liabilities disguised as status. 4. Master financial education. In this new economy, ignorance is the most expensive thing you can own. The ones who thrive are those who keep learning, adapting, and outpacing the old rules of money. This is how you ride the wave. You either become a creator of wealth or remain a consumer trapped in the cycle. The choice, as always, is yours. What you can do today. So the question is, how do you not miss out? The truth is, wealth is no longer about being in the right place at the right time. It's about being prepared when opportunity shows up. Here are 4 steps you can take today. 1. Educate yourself daily. Read books, listen to podcasts, follow channels like the WealthShift TV. Warren Buffett still reads 500 pages a day because knowledge compounds like money. 2. Invest early and consistently. Don't wait until you feel ready. Jeff Bezos didn't wait to figure out everything before starting Amazon. Small, consistent investments grow into massive wealth over time. 3. Build a side hustle. In the digital economy, your skill can be your income stream. Elon Musk once said, "I didn't wait for permission to innovate." Neither should you. 4. Network with winners. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If your circle doesn't push you higher, find a new circle. The wealth transfer isn't coming, it's already here. The only question is whether you're taking action or procrastinating. The future belongs to those who take action today. History leaves us a lesson. Every wealth shift creates 2 kinds of people. Those who positioned themselves early and built fortunes, and those who stood on the sidelines, spending years regretting their inaction. Today, we stand on the edge of the largest transfer of wealth in human history. Technology, digital finance, and global innovation are rewriting the rules of money at lightning speed. The only real question is this: will you prepare and claim your share of the opportunities ahead? Or will you watch others write the success stories you wish were yours? The wealth revolution is not coming. It's already here. The winners are moving, building, and positioning. The time for hesitation is over. Which side of history will you be on?